Are you getting this error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to test your system memory. To test system memory, you need to go to Windows search and type first memory. So it will get this option, memory Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So it will open up and you need to click on restart now and check for problems, and you need to save your data before doing that. So make sure to save your data, and because it will restart your PC and check all the problems and fix them. So the second step is to check for the hardware problems in each drives. For this you need to go to this PC, and herein you will get these are the drives, C drive, D drive, all the drives you need to check one by one. Let me go for the D drive, right click over it and click on properties, and herein you will get these options. You need to click on tools, and herein you need to click on check option in front of error checking. So just tap on this, click on scan drive. So it will scan all my each drives. Your drive scan successfully. So you need to do it for C drive, D drive, all the drives in your system one by one. So the next step is to run check this command from the command prompt. For this you need to go to the Windows search, type in command prompt, right click here, and you just need to click on run as administrator. You can type in CHKDSK for the entire checkup, or otherwise you can go for slash and C drive, D drive. You can do for individual drives one by one. So it will take some time to complete the scanning process. You need to wait for a while. So after that the next step is to run antivirus or anti-malware program in your system. So I hope you have any antivirus or anti-malware program, otherwise you can install it from the internet. Last step is to check for the RAM, because sometimes the RAM can create this problem, and you can go to any hardware shop to check this. After following all these steps, let me know whether this video helped you or not. If you still have any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.